Want to change the sticky header in Elementor? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a dynamic, scroll-responsive header that looks clean and professional. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators. Now, start by heading to your WordPress admin panel and opening your site. Click Edit with Elementor. In the editor, go to the Header section, select the header, and in the left panel, go to the Advanced tab. Scroll to Motion Effects. Set Sticky to Top and choose an entrance animation. Now, scroll to CSS Classes and type in header-1 here. Want a smoother transition? Right-click to duplicate the header. In the duplicate, update the CSS class to something else, like header-2, and set the Z index to 100. Go back to Motion Effects and set Effects Offset to 100. In the Style tab, choose a gradient background and pick your colors. Then, add the site logo and drag in an HTML widget. Enter your HTML code in the panel that appears. Refresh your site, and you'll see the sticky header change color on scroll. Essentially, you now have two headers, one fixed and one that fades in as you scroll. If you want to tweak it again, go back to the Advanced tab. Add a CSS ID like the one you can see on screen and refresh again. Now, the header appears from the top instead of the bottom. And that's it. You've now created a scroll-reactive sticky header using Elementor. So let's build something amazing using Elementor. It makes website design fun and easy. Tap the affiliate link below and get started in no time. If this helped, like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.